summer's here. It's very hot. It's going around 30 degrees. This Triumph is a huge furnace. It's so hot I can't believe it. Riding in this heat is basically ride a bit, pull over, clean visor of all the bugs, repeat, get in again. However, can at least stick to the tarmac. The tarmac is warm. Tyres are warm, whether you can go anywhere, you've got that more confidence you will stay on the road. And winter time, not so good. Now, to get E5 petrol after finally getting a new torque thing, so the rear axle should be actually right torque setting rather than me guessing. The reason I always lose tools, I think everyone probably knows this. You have tools, they just go missing all the time. Where were they? Seems to be a constant thing. Like socks in the tumble dryer, they just disappear like it eats them. And the same monster that eats my socks, other things, is probably the same monster that eats my tools. The old torque one. A lot different. Time for fuel.